I'm going to go over the procedures for the setup modes for IntelligAire 3 for the bus air conditioning units. First of all, what you're going to have to do is double click your CandiEgg icon to get your CandiEgg screen. Once you do that, you can then go to Setup. Double click Setup, and that will then give you a drop box that's entitled Hardware Setup. What we need to do then is go look at the settings to make sure that they're correct for a US application. In this case, we need to look at the hardware. We need to have USB. The other thing we want to look at is our temperature readings. Do we want them in Celsius or Fahrenheit? We want to put it in Fahrenheit. Then we need to look at our pressures. As it is, it's set up for bars. We will need PSIG. The other thing that we can do is create log files in the hard drive if we go and click storage of all the messages received. It's something that we would use for engineering if needed be. The other item that's very important is our language. We definitely have to get our language selected properly. Selecting English EU is in the European language, and the setup box will disable all configurations for the US built units available. So we definitely have to make sure that we are in English US. Once we're in English US, we've completed now all the things that we need to check for US applications. Just hit yes, and that locks it in for us that we are set now for running our units. This concludes the setup procedure.